Personal information of confirmed COVID-19 cases is being shared with law enforcement agencies, and it's led to privacy concerns across the country. KXAN Politics reporter John Engel is digging into how personal data is being passed along and why it's an exception to federal law.
And your first thought is probably about HIPAA, which most of us know protects the sharing of our medical records. But there's an exemption when it comes to pandemics like COVID-19. So that means that your personal information could be sent directly to local law enforcement, regardless if you've committed a crime. You might not know which of these houses has an infected patient inside, but local law enforcement does.
If they need to put on protective wear or whatever they need to handle that call, whether it's fire, police, or EMS going to that location, they need to know what they're going into.
The sharing of limited personal information of COVID-19 patients with law enforcement is covered in Texas state law and is recommended by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. It applies to any high-risk disease that's being monitored by public health officials, like measles or tuberculosis, and now COVID-19.
In some cases where it's a lower priority complaint, we might be able to limit the number of responders in the infectious environment.
Austin Travis County provides addresses of COVID-19 cases to a first responder database. Privacy advocates say it's important that that personal information doesn't disproportionately affect vulnerable communities.
We saw this exact sort of thing that happened during the AIDS crisis, right? Is when somebody gets, when somebody is infected, when they're exposed to a disease or a virus, and that information spreads, that there's a lot of stigma and there's a lot of shame that can be associated with it.
And according to Austin Travis County EMS, only personnel with clearance from the FBI in the state of Texas can access that first responders database, and a case has to be removed as soon as it's no longer active. In Austin, John Engel, KXAN News.